Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about what a neural network is and what they're used for. Okay, so many people hear the phrase neural network thrown around in their everyday life, from their cars to their phones, but what actually is a neural network? Well, a neural network is a set of algorithms inspired by the human brain. In the simplest terms, it takes an input like a sensory organ, flows through layers of digital neurons, then produces an output based on which neurons were activated. This method allows our neural network to remember large data sets and make predictions on new data sets similar to the human brain. In my last video, I'll show you how to program a neural network, so check that out if you haven't already, link in description. So we have a very basic understanding of what a neural network is, but what are they used for? At the core of this method of programming, neural networks are used to solve large problems without a human engineer there to tell it exactly how to solve these problems. For instance, Tesla cars have been collectively working together to train this neural network. It is taking video data from your car and learning how you drive, learning how others drive, and make predictions based on that data to avoid accidents. This is very powerful because an engineer would not have to sit down and write a function for every type and permutation of an accident there will be. That's just impossible to do. A neural network, however, would be able to learn all the data it's fed and instantly make a decision to stop, change lanes, or perform a specific maneuver to save the life of the driver and those around it, without human intervention. So how does it do that? A neural network mimics the human brain by design. Just as we need examples to learn what something is or looks like, as does our neural network. We constantly feed it new data to learn what a human looks like, what a dog looks like, a cat, a chair, and so on. Once it has a pretty good idea of what specific features make up what object, it can look at other images to detect these similar features and detect if this is in fact a cat, dog, chair, or a human. This is a very specific case to object detection and recognition. But neural networks can be used to predict the stock market, learn to drive, learn to program, learn to fly, and learn to walk. Well, that was a quick overview of what a neural network is. I'll make more videos in the future detailing their uses and their functions. Because it is such a large topic, it deserves more than one video. Well, I hope you liked this video. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.